What do we got here? So this is customer top rated. So 2 choices here. So Brian, help me out with the carat weight. One is going to be, Brian, one is going to be 1 carat, and one's going to be, is 2. 1 carat and 2 carats. 1 carat, 2 carats, total weight. We are talking emerald cut in this one, round, and then pear-shaped. But now we're stepping it up in a big way, because now in that 2 carat and 1, look at the bail on it. Diamonds on the bail as well, Michelle.
Yeah, stylistically, we've gone a little more dramatic with this than we did with the first piece that we saw. The first necklace that we brought out was also very beautiful, but it was very stripped back and deconstructed to real modern, clean lines. What I love about this is the historic kind of feeling about it.
Just want to point out that we have a pear cut as well. That's on QVC.com.
Oh my gosh, do we really have that? You know, this has been one of our top selling items in Firelight since we launched. I don't know if you know that. It was, yeah, we've sold more of this than really anything else.
This item.
This item.
Got it.
Right, with a shadow halo. It's legendary with our customers. And so some of the things that make it different is we upgraded the chain. We added about 20, if I remember right, 24% more gold on the chain. The shadow halo means that the halo is pulled back so that the stones become more prominent to the front. And that allows light to get around the center stone really, really nicely. We did, as you mentioned, we put the diamonds that crawl up and over the bail.
Yeah.
So this is an articulated bail, so every movement, like I've got the first one that we presented on, which is different from this. Every movement that you make, it's going to have additional movement with that articulation.
But just want to point out the chain. So it's just the whole, like, what your choices are, because we've only got 4 minutes.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Goes from, no, I love it, I love it. Goes from 18 to 20 now, right?
Right.
18 to 20. Choices are pear, round, emerald, oval, 1 carat, 2 carat, and then we have white gold and yellow gold.
Yes.
So there's a lot of choices here that you can pick up for 5Z payments of $220 or 5Z payments of $420. But I'm going to focus. Let's also have 12-month financing on this one as well, using your Q card. Let's focus on the 1. The 1 is perfect. It's beautiful.
It's perfect.
It's most affordable. It's $1,100 or $1,099, and you cannot go wrong.
Again, reinvest that tax refund you're expecting to get back. Go ahead and get it home and wear it and love it. Every time you're going to look in the mirror, you're just going to find, again, such happiness and joy. I love the couture element of this. Can you spot it? It's the talons, the prongs that are coming up and over the top of it. It gives it this fierce kind of effect. It's very powerful feeling. They're not holding the center gemstone in place, but instead they become a decorative element of it. And it's very indicative of a super high-end jewelry store.
So great.
Yeah.
So the round, you know, what you see here now is the different play of light as well. All diamond all the time. But you see the beam of light with that emerald cut. And tell me the difference in the play of light with the oval and the round.
Yeah, there's a big difference, right?
There actually is.
Yeah, and I kind of like that. The oval tends to look almost more like a crackled texture, right? But it's all very mathematical and very, you know, the very strong planes. But just the way that the facet arrangement is on that, it looks very crackled and very
almost like
icy.
Frozen ice. Yes.
There,
like
that's a really good way to describe it.
Yeah, like a cave of frozen ice, right?
The brilliant round we're really familiar with.
The brilliant round,
That's
we'll
a
look at.
pow,
Now, when you see
pow,
the brilliant
pow.
round, you see the colors within that, the reds and the greens and the
I mean,
pinks
look,
and the
can you
blues.
see it? Orange.
The fire popping through.
Gorgeous.
This is not mesmerizing. So here's what we're going to do. Let's show you the difference between the 1 and the 2 so you can get a sense, because we've been showing the 2.
That's a great idea.
Yeah. Let's just.
Want me to help you take it apart?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
I'll get up. Hey, help me get up. Here it is.
All right, so I grabbed
Just
the
one.
emeralds.
Great.
All right, so you're
I'll
going to get the
open that
emerald?
up. Give me 2 of us, we'll be able to
There
screw
you
this
go.
up nicely. I think we can.
Okay.
Here we go. Now you get a sense of the 1 and the 2, right?
Yeah.
They're both gorgeous. It's a price point story, right? It's
I think
an
so.
affordability story. It's both the same quality of diamonds that you're going to know and love. But this, $1,100. So if you really want the look, the beauty, 5Z payments of $220 right now, $800, $500, $75.90.
Yeah,
You
pick your
can't go
shape
wrong.
and then decide how it fits into your budget.
Yeah.
You know.
You can't go wrong.
They're
You know,
so
put that on the other
pretty.
side.
I'm so
It
happy
is.
for you going ahead and taking the plunge and getting yourself a diamond necklace.
Why do you think this is now one of our most popular items in lab grown?
Well, it's approachable. I mean, when it's much, much more than what you would expect at your budget. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, when you get to this kind of fancy, finish and all of the extras that I was talking about, I went ahead and flipped this one over on the end so you can see even the back is really well fashioned. The whole thing is top notch. It's as if you had walked into the finest of the jewelry stores around the world and they handed you a glass of champagne and this is the piece that you picked. It's classic elegance, but it's got some extra details as far as fashion goes. Again, those 4 talons, the fact it's articulated, see how it'll move back and forth very freely. The size of the bail, I'll turn it a little bit so you can see if you wanted to upgrade the chain and put a very thick chain. Even like Jay's little baby box would be cute on this as well, but that's a thicker chain. You go ahead and you customize it so that it fits you best.
To 442-921. Customer top rated. 5Z payments
sure.
of $220 or $420 if you're shopping QVC right now. QVC2. Call the number on your screen. Bring home and love lab-grown diamonds. We love it. You just had today's special value yesterday.
I did.
From
What a
Diamonds
fun
to
day.
Diamonique.